These two chip O-rings are really important for a coffee machine because might make the difference between a good working one and one that you want to throw to the bin. And these two O-rings are actually located in the hydraulic piston that makes the actual brewing head and the brewing piston go up and down into the chamber. Yeah. So in this case, in this particular machine, the problem is the piston or the brewing head is not going into this chamber but gets stuck and the machine gives me an error. So what's going on? Yeah, the pump is producing pressure and pressure induces a hydraulic power or hydraulic pressure into this piston over here. And these two O-rings are actually the one that maintain that pressure inside the piston, and if they are worn out, like for example this one, yeah, hopefully you can see. Let me change the camera. Yeah. So look at this one compared to a new one. Yeah, you can see the difference. Yeah, with friction they got really small. Yeah, so in this video I will change these two O-rings and show you the process step by step, but of course you have to have the unit at this state. Yeah, if you want to see how to reach this point, take a look on my other videos. I make a series specific for the Krups EA series. All of the machine, regardless of the number, have the same number or the same construction inside, sorry about that, and should be the same. Yeah, so let's get into the process of reassembling it, and the disassemble of this part is actually the other way around, so it's simple. So this upper cover sits over here. In order to remove the piston and make way for it to just come over it, yeah, you have to take a heavy screwdriver, and you see this metal plate over here. You just push on it with a lot of force, and you can see it goes down. Yeah, and while pushing, yeah, you can insert it back into place. Yeah, and this is the procedure for removing it as well. Yeah, so push it hard and remove it. So in order to put back the O-rings, you have to remove first the first one. Yeah, so this one is sitting right over here. Yeah, so we will remove that one and sit a new one right over here, and this is how it should look like. So after inserting the O-ring, you only have to again push the metal plate down, insert it over, and then you have it seated properly into place. Then you have to insert the O-ring over the rod, and then this part, like so, over here sits perfectly in place. After putting the plate over here, before screwing, you have to put this metal plate back into place, like so, and of course don't forget about the micro switch for the used coffee tray. Yeah, so this first, and then put the metal plate, then insert the screws and the cover over it, and the two screws on the other side, and that's it. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you need any of the parts that I used in this video or any of the tools that I use, take a look in the pinned comment and in the description down below, and go to my Amazon storefront to buy them. This will really help the channel with your support. Yeah, and if you need any additional support or guidance, I'm starting on one-to-one sessions, and for this, in the bio description of this channel, you can find my email address, and we can discuss. So until next time, thanks again, and bye bye.